In the vast and often confusing world of the internet, you may have seen certain words appear again and again in posts, videos and forums. Terms like Gesara, QFS, Pi network. Many believe these ideas signal a massive global transformation, a future where all debts are forgiven, wealth is redistributed to the people, and a new ultra-secure financial system replaces our current one. These ideas are appealing, especially in uncertain times. This guide explains these concepts simply and clearly, what promoters claim they mean, and what verified sources say about them. The goal isn't to tell you what to believe, but to give you tools to think critically for yourself. In an age of rapid information, fact-checking is vital. These ideas thrive on a desire for fairness amid inequality. Algorithms can amplify repetition until it feels like truth. NESARA stands for National Economic Security and Reformation Act. Proponents claim it's a secret U.S. law passed in the late 1990s but suppressed. Alleged provisions: forgive credit card, mortgage, and bank debt, abolish the IRS and income tax, and return to U.S. Treasury currency backed by precious metals. Gesara, Global Economic Security and Reformation Act, is presented as NESARA's international counterpart. Claims include canceling sovereign and personal debt, funding humanitarian projects, and disclosing hidden technologies. Together they're framed as a total political and financial overhaul. NESARA's real origin: Harvey Francis Barnard's reform proposal in the late 80s, early 90s. He sent it to Congress. It was never introduced as a bill. Later, an online narrative claimed a secret NESARA had passed and was about to be announced. No official records support these claims. No legislative text of NESARA or Gesara exists. Search congressional and international archives. You won't find matching laws or treaties. The narrative lives mostly on blogs, forums, and social media. It relies on a conspiracy of suppression to explain the lack of public proof. Bottom line: sweeping promises, compelling story, without verifiable documentation. The quantum financial system, or QFS, is claimed to be a secret next-gen monetary system, said to run on quantum computers, unhackable and fully transparent, allegedly active already, running in parallel, awaiting a full takeover. Purpose: end corruption, usury, and manipulation by central bankers and elites. Features claimed: asset-backed currencies, stabilized inflation, every transaction tracked to prevent laundering and fraud, everyone gets a personal account, global funds deposited directly, ushering in abundance. Quantum computing is real, but early stage, fragile, and task-limited. A global quantum backbone running all finance exceeds today's tech reality. No central bank, government, IMF, or World Bank has announced a QFS. They do explore CBDCs and blockchains, and they publish plans publicly. QFS narratives hinge on secrecy known only to insiders, without verifiable evidence. Conclusion: appealing idea, yet the lack of public proof is a major red flag. Now, the Pi network. Unlike Gesara or QFS rumors, Pi is a real project with a real app and community. Launched March 14, 2019 by Stanford graduates. Mission: make crypto accessible. Phone-based mining without heavy hardware. This mining distributes coins. It's not energy-intensive computation. Phases: build users, testnet, then mainnet. Pi attracted a massive global user base. Blockchain live, enclosed by firewall. Verified users can transfer inside the ecosystem. Not tradable on external exchanges yet, no public market price. Team posts white papers and updates, but many details are still evolving. Pi is legitimate, but success is not guaranteed. Pi's link to QFS Gesara emerged from online communities, not from Pi's founders. Claims ranged from Pi as the QFS currency to one Pi worth hundreds of thousands backed by gold. With no official price, imagination fills the gap. The core team never claimed such links. Moderators often dispel these rumors. Start with skepticism. Pause before you accept or share bold claims. Ask: who's telling me this? How do they know it's true? Seek primary sources, the official documents, over social posts. Open new tabs and see what independent credible outlets report. Use reverse image search to spot recycled or miscaptioned media. Beware of emotional triggers: anger, fear, hype, designed to bypass thinking. Huge promises, secrecy, urgency, and no evidence. Classic warning signs. There are no magical shortcuts in complex financial systems. Never send money or personal data based on social posts. Watch for real events twisted with speculative layers. No official NESARA, Gesara laws, and QFS exceeds public tech reality. Central banks research CBDCs publicly, not a secret gold-backed global system. Pi remains in development with no official market price yet. Hope is good, grounded in calm, patient, diligent inquiry. Ask for proof, read laterally, protect your info, and rely on verifiable facts.